Ready to unlock seamless and secure payments in your React app? First, we'll install the Stripe.js library. Open your terminal and use npm or yarn to add Stripe to your project's dependencies. This gives us the tools we need. Next, let's build our payment form. We'll create a React component with input fields for credit card details. Ensure you handle user input and validation. We need to collect the customer's information securely. Now, for the core of security, we'll use Stripe's elements. Stripe elements provide pre-built UI components that securely handle sensitive card data within iframes. This is crucial to minimize your PCI compliance scope. When the user submits the form, we'll use Stripe.js to tokenize the card details. This creates a single token representing the card. Then, we send this token to your server securely. Never send raw card data to your server. On your server, use the Stripe API with your secret key to process the payment using the token you receive. Store the transaction details securely in your database, and then send a confirmation back to your React application. Finally, display a success message to the user when the payment is confirmed. Handle error scenarios gracefully to provide a smooth user experience. Remember to always use HTTPS, protect your Stripe API keys, and adhere to PCI compliance standards. Security is paramount. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Stripe payments into your React project. Enjoy.